Welcome to Verona!
In this video we're going to explain to you why we've abandoned the Alps road trip for a few days.
And we'll take you on a bit of a mini tour around the city, our style. The main draw of this town is that it was the setting of Romeo and Juliet. Most people, when they come to this city, probably go to the arena, but they also go to Juliet's balcony and Juliet's tomb, believe it or not. But later on in this video, we have found probably a more romantic spot that you can come to in this town that is also linked to Romeo and Juliet.
We are coming up to the arena. Now that looks good, I like the way that looks outside.
There's quite a good view of it actually.
Yeah.
I know it's €10 to get in. We might as well go in now that we're here, don't you think? It's 9:39. There's no queue at the ticket office at the moment, so it's quite a good time to come. It's €10 each to get in, which is quite steep. There's no audio guide or anything included, so just got to stroll yourself around.
I reckon we've got to go up surely to get into place. I look like there were stairs there to me.
So here we are inside the Arena di Verona.
It's like any sports stadium really.
It's kind of odd, isn't it? Because we went to the arena in Pula, didn't we?
Yeah.
And they had a nice little audio guide that told you all about the history of how it was built and what happened there and all the fights and everything that you used to see. And it kind of really made it come to life, didn't it?
It was much better than just walking around yourself. Yeah.
From the inside, you can't see the shape of the arena.
No.
There's only a tiny little bit up here. What do I mean? Arches.
That's right.
The arches of the arena.
The arches around Pula you could see all the way around 360. Not quite sure what we're supposed to do. This just seems like, I don't know, just a decent sized arena, just a regular outdoor arena.
Yeah.
There's nothing Roman or special about it. It doesn't feel old in any way.
No, it doesn't, does it?
But its advantages, you can get your steps in.
Big time.
We need a tea break.
Ooh.
And like you say, it would be really good to go to if you actually went to see a concert like the opera.
Yeah, I think that would be the time to come.
It'd be really good.
Yeah.
The acoustics and all that probably would be pretty cool here. You want to have a look, experience what it was like when the Roman gladiators were fighting each other. You're trying to get the atmosphere. It was like you just sat there thinking, what a good place is this.
You can imagine the gladiators and the lions competing.
And everyone is on their phone. It might be scorching hot, but we still need our tea break. Cheers everyone.
So we've been inside the arena, we're now walking around the outside sort of, well not the outside, what did you call this? Like the corridors that surrounds the central bit.
The main stadium, yeah.
Yeah, and again, just comparing it with Pula, because that's the only other one we've been to, there's not really much to see here. There's like no exhibition of pottery or anything, is there?
Nothing. Pretty long queue, developing at 10:38 AM. It's better from the outside.
Yeah. If you come to Verona, you want to go see the arena, don't pay to go in, just walk around it from the outside.
But I would recommend seeing an opera if you're into that in there. I bet that's a good night out in there.
I bet that would be a good experience, yeah.
We're off to the gateway of the city, the archway. It's dating back to the 1st century, so I think we can see it already. It used to be the entrance to the old town of Verona.
Wow, that's cool. I can't believe it's still like standing.
And it looks quite intact.
It does actually.
It doesn't even look that crumbled or anything really.
No.
No.
I'd say this is almost better than the arena that we saw yesterday. And it's free because it's just there. It's quite amazing that it's still in existence from the 1st century. And it's like really decorative and it's all intact. It's amazing.
I like it, it's pretty impressive. Yeah, like I say, just to still be there, it's pretty cool. I've basically taken a 3-day break before we're off to our 5th country of this road trip. So we're in Verona. We tried to go to the Dolomites, as we were saying. The accommodation just didn't pan out, it was booked and it was so expensive.
And we couldn't find a really good route through the top of Italy.
So we've ended up basically driving hundreds and hundreds of kilometres in a massive round circle and stopping halfway in Verona.
I mean, we thought, well, we might want a break from all these mountain views and gorges and all that.
Turns out we probably didn't.
This is the Basilica San Zeno de Maggiore. Sorry, I've probably said that completely wrong.
It was first built in 360 to 380 and they've been built in stages over the years to what it is today. So I think we should have a look round.
It's also supposed to be the place that Romeo and Juliet got married in secret, in the Cript. It was €4 each for the ticket. Nice little bit of information, guidebook. You can get an audio guide on your phone if you want to. Automated holy water, how good is that? We're now in the crypt of the church, which isn't even the original one. This is the new crypt, built in the 13th century. And this is supposedly the site where Romeo and Juliet got married in secret. Looks like we just made it in time before the tour started. I liked it in there.
Yeah.
It's something a bit different, but I found it very calming. I liked the crypt particularly because I just thought it was all romantic. So there you go, that's our alternative Romeo and Juliet stop whilst you're here in Verona.
Next time we're back to pack lunch and travel, or what we do best in our new country.
Subscribe to follow the journey, and if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, send us a comment or ask a question if you like. We'll continue this Alps trip in the next video and we'll see you then.